I'm Will Thomas, I'm the Director at MDS Medical. We offer autoclaves ranging from 3 to 22 litres. We also offer a high quality range of auxiliary equipment such as ultrasonic bars, RO systems and anaesthetic units for vets. We work closely with the practice to identify their individual needs. In addition to supplying products, we also offer a service, calibration, validation and pressure vessel inspection. My dad Dave, he started the company over 12 years ago and I've been working alongside him for the past 10. Anything from dentists to vets, tattoo and piercing, into beauty, chiropody, podiatry. Like we try and be specific for each different disciplines. We've got the podiatry, so we try and price adequately for them. And then we've got the dental, so we've got the dental clave, and then we've one that we've made specifically for vets, which is the vet clave. That's based on like size and what their needs were. So we base the size of it for what you'd be putting inside. So we know that the podiatrists will use like quite small instruments and they're not much on the heavy use side. So we'll build their autoclave for them, whereas the dentist will be much heavier use. And the vets use like bigger instruments. So they need a bigger autoclave, so we've tailored our vet clave to be quite large. The minimum for a service interval is 12 months because that's with a pressure vessel inspection, that's law. But depending on the use of the machine, if it's a high use, we can do something called an interim service, which means we'll drop in the year at an interval. So we'll do like an interim service between there and the actual annual service itself. You know, we try and get everywhere around the country. We are nationwide, we sell nationwide, and that's, you know, we'll service there as well. So what we try to do is get like customers in a group in an area. For example, we'll go down to Devon, we'll get an area of customers and we'll try and go down there and do them at the same time. It seems to be getting really good feedback from forums. We've got a pretty good name, and social media, we tend to get a lot of good feedback, which is nice. So I think just keep doing the same thing, trying to look after our customers, not get too big so you sort of lose touch with your customers. Do you know what I mean? MDS are different to other companies because we're not really big and corporate. Like I've heard horror stories from customers where, you know, you ring up with a call out and it's an emergency, but can't get to you for 2 weeks. Well, we can't do this, we can't do that. Whereas we try and be a bit more proactive. So we try, if somebody else got a service and you've got a call out, we try and move the service to get you in for a call out, because downtime is, you know, terrible for your company. Or if we can't get out there, we have a loan machine service where we can send you a loan machine to tide you over until one of our engineers go out. If you are in an industry where your needs require an autoclave or RO system, ultrasonic bath, then and you're like a high level of service by a close-knit team, then please get in contact.